What you are looking at is not a tornado, although yes, that is erupting lava in the background. Instead, this is a lava-generated whirlwind which occurred at Hawaii's Kilauea volcano on June 14th, reaching a peak rotational speed of 65 miles per hour or 105 kilometers per hour. That just so happens to represent the very bottom speed of an EF0 tornado, but of course this is not an actual tornado. I am only making this comparison for fun. Multiple of these strong whirlwinds occurred between noon and 12:30 p.m. local time on June 14, 2026, which were seemingly the widest and most intense Kilauea has produced in at least 2 years. These whirlwinds at Kilauea sometimes pick up and carry with them fragments of still molten lava, and if not, more commonly can pick up many loose tephra fragments already on the ground if any such fragments are present. One of these whirlwinds even struck a US Geological Survey web camera, with this being footage and sound from when this happened. Clearly, you wouldn't want to run into one of these whirlwinds. This all occurred as part of another spectacular episode of lava fountaining on Hawaii's Big Island, which erupted sustained fountains of lava to heights of as much as 700 feet or 213 meters. Lava fountaining lasted for just under 7.5 hours, marking the 49th episode of sustained lava fountaining Kilauea has produced since December 23, 2024. This is one of Kilauea's shortest episodes thus far, and with the exception of its average lava fusion rate, the episode was by and large a below-average one. All eruptive activity occurred within Kilauea's summit caldera, so no structures were ever at risk from advancing lava flows as these remained solely within the caldera. For the 6th episode in a row, only the north vent produced sustained lava fountains, while the south vent, despite producing many precursory small lava flows, only produced very weak and intermittent spattering. Almost exactly 5 million cubic meters of lava was emplaced, further decreasing Kilauea's caldera floor depth. While Kilauea has so far in 2026 erupted 71.1 million cubic meters of lava, this is 25.6% less material than Kilauea had erupted by this point in the year 1 year ago in 2025. As yes, average monthly total lava fusion rates are still slowly decreasing. Kilauea since December 23rd of 2024 has been undergoing predictable cycles of activity which follow this pattern, which always ends in hours-long periods of sustained tall lava fountaining. This type of cyclical activity has occurred at Kilauea 3 other times, but none of these produced so many distinct episodes of lava fountaining in a row. And now, here is a brief overview regarding the timeline of episode 49. Precursory lava fusion from the north vent became near continuous at around 9:32 a.m. local time on June 14th, but the sustained lava fountaining would not truly begin until 4 minutes later. It then took only 10 minutes for lava fountains to rise to a sustained height of 150 feet, and 20 minutes after that for it to double to heights of 300 feet. By 10:44 a.m., lava fountains achieved their maximum height of the eruptive episode, reaching sustained heights of 700 feet. At that very moment, the associated eruption plume achieved an altitude of up to 17,000 to 18,000 feet, and the instantaneous lava fusion rate was at its highest, averaging 320 cubic meters per second. Afterwards, lava fountain heights continually decreased until they ceased altogether at 5:05 p.m. local time on June 14, 2026. Although it is still way too early to guess when Kilauea's episode 50 might occur, if it does end up happening, it could begin anywhere in my opinion between June 24, 2026 and July 14, 2026. So yes, Kilauea's 50th episode could theoretically occur on the 4th of July based on current trends. As a final note, I would like to thank this channel's patrons on Patreon and channel members on YouTube for supporting my work.